Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make subtitles like Tommyinnit. It's gonna be very simple, very easy. All you're gonna need is Premiere Pro. It's some of you might not have this. If you want to get it, then I'll put a link in the description on how to get it for free. It's not like some illegal stuff, okay? Everyone does this. So basically, how do you get these subtitles? Well, it's very easy. All you want to do is just let's put our footage, and now you press T, and now you click, and then you type what you want. So let's say in this video. Now okay, so obviously I have these things. Okay, my text. Let's talk about my text. So how do you get this text? If you want this font, it is Dosis Bold, I think. I'm pretty sure it's what Tommy uses, so that's why I have it on. Other than that, I have stroke, red, and a black shadow. So other than that, let's just reset this and go down. Let's go here. Let's scale it up a bit. And basically, it's very simple. You go to the scale option, this one for the text. You put a keyframe, and then you move. Let me put this down a bit. Then you move 4 frames, and then you increase by. You can do like increase by uh like 20 or 30. I'm just gonna do like 25, let's say. Then you're gonna move. Then you want to move 3 more keyframes and decrease it by like 5, something like that, around this. And that's pretty much it. That's like a very easy thing to do. What did I do? Okay. Let's just do this. Okay. So in this video, basically, in this video, I'll be showing you. So let's like add a bit to it. You know, I'll be showing blah. Okay, okay. So you get it, you know? Yeah. Okay. In this video, I'll be showing you. Okay, okay. Then don't subscribe. Just maybe give me a like. That would be more than enough. If you want to watch my actual like good videos, my main channel is in the description. I hope this helped you, and yeah, this is how you